Where did you get the gun?
I got it from off the streets.
Or did you turn 18?
I'm 18.
You're 18 now? Okay, so you're going to the county jail. Okay.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I can't even call. Can you call my mom for me?
We will call her. Well, you could call her from the jail.
A teacher finds a handwritten note, a loaded gun, a teenager, and a classroom full of students who had no idea what was sitting right next to them. This bodycam footage from Avro Beach High School will make you question everything about school safety. On March 10, 2023, a high school teacher received a handwritten note warning that an 18-year-old sophomore was bragging about carrying a loaded gun inside the classroom. The teacher immediately alerted the on-campus deputy. Backup was called. The principal and deputies quietly surrounded the classroom before pulling the student out.
Go ahead, lean up against the
Resource 232, I've got.
You got nothing on it.
Jerry, 25.
Okay, I'm gonna step out for a second.
Stop.
I'm gonna step out. Okay.
Bro, come on. Come
Mike,
on,
0.
bro. Come on. Oh my God, bro.
Can you come to my office ASAP? Son of a bitch.
That's my wallet, bro. Come on.
Resource 222, resource 80.
Just go ahead and tell them signal 0. We're by Yankee.
Ain't nothing on me, bro.
That's the search.
Oh my God, is this necessary,
Yes,
bro?
ma'am. Yes.
I don't have nothing else on me, bro. I swear I don't, bro.
Then just cooperate.
Bro, I am cooperating, but oh my God, bro, is you serious?
Relax.
Jerry, 27.
Sit down. How did he come back? I'm gonna step out back with Mr. O'Keefe just for a second.
I didn't harm nobody.
You're in possession of a firearm on school grounds.
I understand that, but no one
And a
was
tip was
harmed.
received. It doesn't matter if anybody's harmed. You're not allowed to possess a firearm, period, let alone on school grounds.
I understand that. No one's harmed.
Okay, I'm going to read you your Miranda.
Okay.
Okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say
Am I going
can...
to jail?
Huh?
Am I going to jail?
Okay,
Right now,
just
you...
listen.
Listen to your rights.
Okay.
I want you to tell me whether you understand them or not.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent.
Okay.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have your lawyer present with you while you are being questioned.
Okay.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering at any time and speak with a lawyer. You may use any of these rights at any time during the interview. Do you understand the rights that I have just read to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you want to answer questions?
Yes.
Okay, what are you doing with a handgun on school grounds?
Ma'am, I honestly was not trying to harm anybody with it. I was just carrying it around. That's it.
Why were you carrying it around on school grounds?
Because I understand that it's people on school ground that likes to bully people, and I felt like I was being bullied by certain people on school ground.
Okay.
Sir. Chambered and loaded mag.
Where did you get the gun?
I got it from off the streets.
13 traffic.
Did you steal it from?
No, ma'am.
Did you acquire it from somebody else?
No, ma'am.
Mike,
So how did you get
you
it?
have prior knowledge of Sean asked me.
Kilo 40 Bravo Tango 524.
Yes.
How long have you had the gun?
I just,
How many times have you brought it to school?
that's not the first. I swear.
Today's the first?
Yes, I swear.
Yesterday.
I didn't bring no gun yesterday. I swear.
Okay, well, I heard a statement that you brought it yesterday.
Caltech 380 semi-automatic.
Is there anything in it?
Yes,
It's loaded.
it's loaded.
I'm sorry, no, it's not a... Mr. O'Keefe, it's a Ruger, not a Caltech. It looks just like a Caltech.
Sean? Yes, it's loaded.
It has a magazine with bullets, and there was one in the chamber.
It's going to be a transport, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
I'm just B-Rob with...
Can I make a phone call, please?
Not right
Not
now.
yet.
You can make a phone call when you get to the Emory County Jail.
The county jail?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Alicia, I'm going to talk to you
What part of this do
because
you not
I'm
think
your
is serious?
administrator.
I understand that, but
I'm
no
like
one
your
was-
parent today. Here's what I want to tell you why. You have something.
I'm going to go
that
grab
you
a badge
should
from your
have.
office.
So it's very serious nature. So they're gonna have to do this until it gets worked out.
Are you serious, bro? No one was harmed, though.
At first, The student denied everything when deputies asked to search her backpack and empty her pockets. She refused and began to resist. During the struggle, a Ruger handgun was found, loaded magazine and 1 bullet already in the chamber. After being restrained and arrested, the student was read her Miranda rights. Then came the reason that stopped everyone in the room. She said she brought the gun because she was being bullied. Girls at school had been.
You're walking around in school with a gun with bullets in
I
it.
understand that, but no one was harmed, sir.
So
I don't care.
it is a felony to have a weapon on school grounds. Plus you were a juvenile, or did you turn 18?
I'm 18.
You're 18 now? Okay, so you're going to the county jail, okay?
Serious?
Yes.
I can't even call. Can you call my mom for me?
We will call her, well, you could call her from the jail.
Oh man, she's not. I was just finna get off juvenile probation. It's just one time thing. I never bought it yesterday. I swear, I never bought it yesterday.
You may not have. We just got a tip, and I told you when I got you out of the classroom, I have to look at all tips.
Yeah.
Whether it's weapons, guns, whatever it is, weed.
I didn't bring no weed.
Okay, well, it smelled of it, that's all.
Yeah.
And, but when we ask to empty your pockets, you know, if you refuse, this is what happens.
So if I would have emptied my pockets, y'all would never did this to me.
No, we would.
Well, you still would have been arrested.
But you don't have to go through all the anguish. Just, you know that when you're in my office with deputies and you know you have something, it's best just to, it's not going to get any better. I want to know.
I just want to know what's going to happen.
So, just like I told you, you're going to go to the county jail. Okay, you're under arrest right now for possession of a weapon on school grounds. It's a felony. Okay, so we're getting a transport unit here. You're going to be transported to the county jail. Okay, at that time, you will be able to use the phone in booking
Yeah, Mr. Branch.
to call whoever you'd like.
Good,
Can
what's
you
up?
just call her for me?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Who do you live with? Just curious.
I stay with my mom.
Your mother?
Yeah.
Does she know you got one?
No.
I mean, you're 18?
She's 18.
I think we'll eventually, on my end, contact your mother. I don't.
Can you please?
I mean, I don't
So
have
she
to.
knows, please?
Well, that's up to
What?
law enforcement right now.
Please?
She will know when you contact her at the jail.
Yeah, you're
okay,
under control right now.
Right now, you are 18. Okay, you're an adult at this point, so we don't have to follow the same things that we would with a juvenile.
I understand.
Okay, so when you get to the county jail, you can call mom. You're gonna have to
You
wait
got her
until
phone?
booking. Yeah, it's
So
in
when
her
I get
bag.
any posts,
No, it's in her bag. Earbuds are in her
this is
bag.
in her bag. It's a lip gloss, I think.
What about your jacket? Do you want to keep that on, or you?
Yeah.
Do you have any other jewelry on?
No.
What about your belt?
Yeah, can you?
Alicia, are you in fear of anything?
No, I just
I mean,
want to
is
talk
there
to
anybody at school that you're worried about?
I mean, yeah, it was.
But not any longer?
I don't know.
You
But,
said-
my Apple Watch, please. Kids was trying to they was messing with me and my sister and I.
Did you report it to anybody yet?
Yes, me and my sister reported it plenty of times. Miss Bold came to Miss Bold about it plenty of times.
Who did?
It was a couple of girls, but
Okay. Well, we'll get, right now we just want to make sure that we're doing everything that we can and
Now, were you worried that these girls were gonna attack you with weapons?
yeah, they always seeing how they gonna do this.
She was transported to county jail facing 3 serious felony charges. Her mother stepped forward claiming her daughter was innocent and that officers had not done their job properly. So now the question falls on you: was this a scared teenager trying to protect herself, or did the officers handle this exactly the way they should have? Drop your opinion in the comments below, and if you want more real body cam footage breakdowns like this, subscribe, because the truth is always caught on camera.